Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data with Comcast, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your data with Comcast, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Log into your Comcast account on the website or through the Xfinity app. Navigate to the My Account section within your account dashboard. Select the option for Data Transfer or Data Management. Choose the type of data you wish to transfer, such as files, settings, or contacts. Follow the prompts to initiate the transfer process. If transferring files, make sure to select the specific file. For contact transfers, you may need to sync your contacts from your email or device. Check for any additional options, such as confirming the destination for your data transfer. Review the details of your transfer before finalizing. Click on the Start Transfer button to begin the process. Monitor the progress of your transfer on the screen. Depending on the amount of data, this may take a few moments. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a notification. Confirm that your data has successfully transferred by checking the destination. If you encounter any issues, consult the Comcast Help Center for troubleshooting. For large data transfers, consider breaking them into smaller batches to ensure a smooth process. Always back up important data before starting any transfer. If you are transferring data between devices, ensure both devices are connected to the internet. Finally, log out of your Comcast account to secure your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.